black. Marcus Garvey, black. Barrack Obama, black. Bill Clinton, black. How you think about that? How a leap of great, some of the greatest people in African history document that. So free all black people, live all black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free all black people, free all black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. Yeah, my point is, the meek shall never the earth, I mean no matter what the fight is. And it was written long before the 80s or the 90s, before the colonel find the herbs and spices. Black people, don't get caught in a them system. Just overcome and don't become a victim. Cause them system set, for them get the future, all of the history will get. So free all black people, live all black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free all black people, free all black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. Don't forget, you see him bold black. Greatest of the greats, check the record on the track. I start for Shelley and Fraser, Merlin, Natty, Ben Johnson and Quarry, me fi tell you about that. Bob Marley, Muhammad Ali, and Denzel Washington. Too many to mention. Whitney Houston, Michael Jordan, from the African lineage of River Jordan. All black people, live all black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free all black people, free all black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop